Okay, next after finish offset 3 mm and 2 mm, you need to extrapolate each surface until each others cross between each others. Okay, now I would like to demo to you lah. First, what you need to do is to manage your tree. You just insert new geometrical set, insert, name is extrapolate. Okay. Okay. Before you extrapolate, make sure all data you hide, master data you hide, extract 2 mm you hide, extract 3 mm you hide, and then you just show offset 2 mm and offset 3 mm like this lah. Okay, first you need to click your icon extrapolate. Okay, for example, for this edge, actually you just need one side only extrapolate to both sides. You just click first how you want to extrapolate is select only. You select this edge and select surface. And make sure you extrapolate is more and cross between this surface lah. Okay, you see you need to rotate like this. 15 to 20, no problem. If more than 50 is enough. You can until the maximum also no problem. How much you want to extrapolate for this one? You make sure your continuity is curvature. If the curvature you cannot see the line here lah, okay. And then you click okay, okay. Okay, for this side, for this surface, actually you need to extrapolate for each of the edge. You need to extrapolate. How you want to do that? You just click extrapolate and then just select one surface here, then select just one edge and select fit. Then you need to change the propagation mode to point continuity to the overall or overside, all side you want to extrapolate. Okay, and then you click okay. Okay, for this surface which area you need to extrapolate, or actually you need to extrapolate a radius here and until this area. This one no need lah for this side. Okay, how you want to do that? Very easy, just click extrapolate, then go to boundary, just right click, create boundary, then you select this edge. Okay, all the edge we highlighted. Okay, you want from, okay, you just select this edge point, okay, this point, okay, and then this point. If it show like this, because a different edge is select, you just change their direction. Okay, like this, and then click okay. Okay, and then extrapolate, and then you just click surface lah. Okay, we extrapolate like this lah. Alright, okay, next. Okay, for this surface, you just extrapolate the above only enough. No need other overall side you need to extrapolate. You need to understand first, and then you extrapolate one by one. Okay, and then you click okay. Okay, one more thing. Okay, next, which one? Okay, this one, this side also same. How to extrapolate? Just select extrapolate, then right click, select the boundary, select one edge. Okay, select the first point until which point you want to extrapolate. Okay, if like this, you need to click the arrow here to reverse direction. Just click this red arrow. Okay, like this, and then click OK. Then extrapolate surface, you just click this surface until 15 20 mm, curvature, tangent, and no propagation. Okay, for this inside surface, actually what you want to extrapolate, you want to extrapolate into overall of the edge. This edge you want to extrapolate this edge and overall the edge. Okay, and then just select extrapolate, select one edge, and then select the surface. Because this one only one edge, how you want to overall edge? You just go to propagation mode, change to the point continuity like this. Okay, your last one, okay, this surface also. Make sure all surface is cross each other, because this one already cross in this surface, already cross with this surface. Okay, the last one, same. You need to create extrapolate. Okay, and then click H. Then make sure all is extrapolate. All side need to extrapolate 20 mm like this. Okay. Now your extrapolate job already finished because each surface already crossed between each others. Okay, now what you need to do is to create one more tree. It means for trim or for split for each the non-need surface. Okay, like this. Okay, first how you want to do is for me very easy. Insert new geometrical set. The name is split. Split. Okay, just split each other. Okay, split. Okay, first you want to split one by one lah. For me, the vertical side first or horizontal side. Okay, for example, if you want split this surface first. Okay, you just split this one. Actually split. Okay, first surface you want to split, and then cutting element, this one as the key has a cutting element reference. For example, this surface you don't need, you just need this surface. Okay, and then next for use this surface and this surface. Okay, like this. Okay, this surface is one by one lah, other side lah, because you want inside not outside. Okay, like this. Okay, this one. Okay, already. Alright, okay, next. Okay, this surface. Okay, you want other side lah. Okay, one by one. This surface with this surface, because you need only inside. Okay, and then this one. Okay, you finish one by one. Okay, this side, this you want to cut. So this one is as a cutting element. You want inside. Okay, one more thing you see also. Okay, this surface is crossed with this one. You need to create to split this one and this one. Make sure your split is correct direction. Okay, like this. Also same in this side. Okay, then you need to trim between this one and this one. Okay, then this one, this one, this one. Alright. Then okay, this one. One more thing between this one and this one. Make sure all is correct lah. Okay, for this outside. Okay, this one you want to trim with this one other side lah, because you want the bottom side. And then this side with this side. Okay, like this you want to trim. So same. Okay, this one actually have trick to do with. Okay, how you want to split this one. I repeat again because this one wrong. You put trim. Okay, for this surface actually have trick how you want to split them. Okay, first you split. Okay, this one you want to split. One more time, I repeat. Okay, this one maybe you want split between this one. Then make sure you split between these three. How you want to combine these three surface. Okay, you just right click and then click join. Between this one for only temporary join, not permanent join. Click one, click one, and you click. Okay, when you split, this one already join. Okay, like this. Okay, this side also same. I repeat again how to split this one. Just click surface you want to split, and then here right click join between this surface and this surface, and you click OK. Okay, make sure your surface is correct, is bottom surface. This one no need surface you want to remove, will show transparent. That's it. Okay, like this, and then last one, we need to split this one. Just split this surface and this surface as CATIA element in one below one. Okay, now you already finished the surface you want to abstract. Okay, before we start, actually we need to, okay, after finish split, you need to join, because now no need join. Maybe if you will hide one surface, only one, because now you need to create a join. And okay, to create one more geometry set is join. I mean, set join. You just click icon join, and then join overall of the surface you already create. Okay, and preview surface, just preview. Okay, make sure all not have tier. If have a tier, here will show the, at the edge will show the green color like the below, like this line lah. Make sure your margin 0.1. Like this. Now you, if you like add one surface, oh, because I forget. Hey, I already create. Wait, but not create yet. Not create yet. I create one more thing is join. Say join. I repeat again how to create join. Ready join. Oh, this one. Okay. I need to delete this one first. I repeat again. Okay, now I create join, insert, join. Okay, repeat. Join all the surface. Okay, then you just click join, select all surface and join. Then you click again, already join. Okay, now the important part, to create the fillet between for each edge. Okay, first you want to create the vertical side first, fillet, and then how you want to create the fillet, you need to measure the fillet in the master data, and then also you need to consider whether the fillet you want to create inside or outside, based on formula I given in my slide lah. Okay, first for more easy, I just capture this image to discuss with you using snapping tool. First, you need to identify whether this fillet is inside or outside. Later we open master data one. Okay, wait, I show master data and then I hide my join lah. Okay, and I snipping tool. Actually, our surface already abstract to outside. Okay, now I create one using red pen. Okay, okay. Now this one your example already abstract. Okay, here to here, if you see this one, okay, this one actually from R. Okay, this surface from R what? R R inner lah, inner to R outer. Jadi R O. Which one the formula you need to create? If for this one actually, because you know the inner diameter, inner radius, but you don't know the outer radius, you need to use this formula. Okay, inner you know, but the outer you don't know. You need to use this formula lah. Need to uh, calculate gradual thickness between each others, 3 mm, 2 mm plus divide 2.5, and then you need to measure, okay, measure the inner diameter based on master data. You go to master data, okay, you go to master data, and then you just select caliper to know the radius. Okay, the radius size for this one, okay, just measure. Radius is 5, but now from inside to outside, you need to calculate the formula lah. From inside to outside, okay. Okay, inside to outside is 5. That means this here 3. 3 plus 2 plus 3 divided by 2, 2.5. 2.5 plus by 5 because from inner to outside is plus. Okay, from inner to outside just plus. Okay, overall is 7.5. You need to apply. Okay, now you need to create. Okay, 7.5. Okay, this one you need to remind 7.5, and then here you measure again. Radius is 5, same 5, but the diameter is 2.5. Okay, 5 minus 2.5, that means see this one as our reference. This one RO 5. This one is 5 minus 2.5 lah, equal to 0.5. Okay, now you need to apply the radius. Okay, apply the radius now. Then we just hide our master data and show again our join. Okay, after that we create new one. Geometry set is radius. Okay, now we already know the master data dimension. Now you need to apply. You just create the edge radius because already joined. This one 7.5. Okay, then this one is 2.5, like this. Okay, next. Okay, for this radius, okay, or is this same method for me? I just hide my radius data, and then I open master data as snipping tool to give you all more understanding lah. Actually, we offset outside. Okay, if you are okay, just erase. Sorry, this one offset. Oh, sorry. Okay, we just offset from outside. This one inside. That means from RI to RO. You know the dimension is 2.3. This one 2. 2.5 plus by this one 2.5 plus our actual data, and then you need to measure lah this one. Measure. Okay, 3 plus 2.5, it means 5.5 all around the radius. Okay, now I hide our master data, and then I show our radius. Okay, we hide the master data now. Yeah, the age for this fillet is 5.5 after we calculate using the suggestion method to prevent pro-wrapping from stress or something. You need to calculate like that. Make sure you select overall. Okay, the dimension is 5.5. Okay, like this. Okay, now what you need to do, the last step, you need to combine between master data Actually, the master data you cannot disturb, but you need to copy the master data to one more mole to combine to create our mole lah. Now, the last step, just go insert our geometrical set. This geometrical set name is to create closed surface. This one last method. What you want to do first, you show your master data. I show, and then you open the tree. You select this one, each fillet, because okay, inside your outer data have master data. You need to copy this one. Just right click, copy, and then you go to close surface, right click, and then paste spatial. As a result, now you already copy your master data, and then your height. Actually, when you design in generative shape design, your master data from the styling department, you cannot disturb that. There as your reference. You need to copy here, okay? The copy your data be like this lah. Have two surface lah. Surface you already offset surface and the surface from master data. Okay, now you need to combine between these two surface. How you want to combine? Okay, for more easy for me, just fill and then we just trim. Okay, now what you need to do is you fill overall your offset data. Okay, this one yeah, I call offset data. Okay, you just go to fill, select fill, then right click, create boundary. You just select this one. Okay, make sure the select boundary. Okay, I repeat again. How you want fill? Right click here, right click, then select boundary, select one each, and then select ready fill now. Okay, and then click. Okay, ready fill like this. But now you need to trim this inside surface because you want join offset surface and your copy surface from master data. You want join between this one. Okay, how you want to split this one? Okay, first you just split the surface and this surface. Make sure you remove inside this one surface. Between this one you need, okay, you just select like this. You need like this transparent between each other. Okay, and you click okay. Okay, the last step. Okay, now you already have the surface. Yeah, because you want the surface. You need to join between each others. Okay, you join surface one. You have three surface. Surface split 17 and this outer surface. Okay, then you change your margin into okay, and then you preview. When you preview, you cannot see the green line because all is close join, not have any open join. Therefore, do not have a green color line. If a green color line have, you have open join. Like this is correct. Okay. Then you just click OK. Okay, the last step after you finish to create this one, you need to go to the part design to use closed surface to fill material inside this mold. Actually, this one is one mold without thickness because here you have inside you have surface. Inside you want to fill inside this box or this part. Okay. After you join, you just go to start and then you go to mechanical part design. And then you just define add file body. Go to part body, right click, define work object. Then you need to find icon name is closed surface. Actually, closed surface have inside thickness. thick surface. Inside there have a closed surface. You just click close surface, and then you just click this surface, and then you click OK. What will happen? Now your part from the surface will generate to solid. Now already have thickness. Okay, you just hide this geometry. This one the proper way to do. Okay, now you need to measure. This surface you should be 3 mm, but this one 2 mm. Now we verify lah. You just go caliper. Okay, here 3, this one 2. Already as a specification mentioned, you need based on your slide lah. Your slide already say this one yellow is 2 mm and the purple one is 3 mm. How you do that is how you want offset. You need to follow my step by step. Okay, the last step actually we need to implement draft angle. Now you can see your drawing. You need to open master data. I think inside master data we have tooling direction. Okay, from this you just select tooling direction and then you just select normal view. Okay, when you zoom this edge from this one, you need to open this have a draft angle. You just select draft, this surface, all the around this surface is okay. The angle should be 2 mm. The direction should be the direction material element. Actually, we need you click from here. Direction. Just this one, and then I just preview. If this one from inside, but we need outside, you maybe will change your direction to here. Just preview. Okay, now already open lah. Before that, you cannot see the bottom edge before implement. This draft angle. Okay, and then you click. Now we have a topology error. Okay, I try to see again. Okay, wait, I show again. If the proper way, you can see the bottom side edge. That means already implement draft angle, but now have a problem with our direction. Maybe have this side have direction problem. I just troubleshoot. Maybe we need to change angle. Yes, maybe in this plane we need to change to here. Material element. Just we abstract the surface. Okay. And this one from 2 degree, only 1 degree enough, because the requirement, minimum requirement 1 until 2 degree. Okay, now we see from here normal view. Now when you zoom, you will see the bottom line because already implement. Before that you cannot see this line. Yeah, this one actually already implement our draft angle to outside to easy open from the mode. That's all the consideration already apply in plastic part design. Okay, at the last you also check our weight lah, because you also need to check your weight. Same, when you click this design, you should get the mass is 0.298 kilogram. Okay, thank you for everyone. Enjoy for our video.